get ready with me and Merit Beauty. Y'all, I have some goodies here for you. I cannot wait to show you what is in this bag. I peeked, I ain't gonna lie, I peeked, but I want to do a nice, quick, clean, like natural makeup look. Nothing too crazy, because a lot of us, you know, we still going into the office. A lot of us got busy lives. We still want to look put together. So I haven't done anything on my face as of yet. I did put a little, you know, a little moisturizer, but I ain't do my brows or anything. But we're gonna get and just do a quick little makeup look, okay? But let's get into what's in this bag. First off, this cute little makeup bag. It's like a little tie, like a little sash. Look at this. This is too cute. I think this is really cute for us ladies who wear brown foundation because you know how that brown gets everywhere in your makeup bag. So what we have in this bag is the Great Skin. This is a glow serum. Let's get into this. I've been seeing this around. It's so funny. I was in Sephora and I saw this and I was like, this looks interesting. So this is an instant glow serum. You shake it up and you put like 2 or 3 pumps on your face morning and night, and it gives your skin a nice little glow. And I'm just gonna read some specs here on the back. You know, I don't have my glasses with me, so we gotta pull it back some. So it has 2% niacinamide. It has 4 types of hyaluronic acid, caffeine-rich cocoa seed extract, Japanese gold thread root, and pH balance. So yes, this is exactly what we need. Hyaluronic acid is really good for the skin. Niacinamide is really good for the skin for brightening. We all know that. And it's so funny that this here has this cocoa seed extract. I've been starting to read up on cocoa in regards to skincare and everything, because you know I'm getting in my skincare bag. You know, you guys know, if you follow me, you know. So I've been reading up. So this is really, really interesting. I'm gonna, you know, do some more background in regards to cocoa, and I'll come back and let you guys know. But I've heard some really, really good things. So the purpose of this serum is to instantly hydrate and plump the skin. You guys know we can have those dull skin moments, and you know, sometimes we want to have a little pick me up. That's what this comes in. So this is really, really good. So we're gonna put this to the side. Now let me see what we got here. We got 2 more things here. So next up is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is it right here. Nice and sleek, very compact. Everything is right here. I'm not new to foundation sticks, but you know, when you're used to something, you're used to something. Do I want to get into more foundation sticks? Absolutely. So let's see here. So the shade that I have, I got Tiger Eyes. Now, you guys can see she's definitely on the brown side. I'm gonna go ahead and just twound it up just a little bit. I want to see how much product is in here, because you know, we want to know what we're getting. We want to know exactly what we're getting. This is a lot of product. Y'all see I'm still going. This is a lot of product. Y'all, look at this. I'm still going. There we go. She's done. This is a lot of product, and I definitely can stand by. When you have a stick foundation, it's a lot of product, you know, and you just put a little bit on, and then you have to just pretty much shear it out. That's the beauty. So I'm gonna wind her down, go back, you know, a little bit. We don't want to break her. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. Let me close her back up, and I also have a brush here. This is the blending brush. Look at here. Isn't this cute? I would want to keep it a little plastic, but I know it wouldn't be sanitary. But this is the brush. It has Merit on here. You probably can't tell, but it does have it right there. So let's get right into it. I already did my skincare. I do have some stuff on, but we're going to go ahead and use this. We're going to shake it up. We're going to take about... Ooh. So it's a little watery. And I'm just going to... I don't smell anything, so... I will definitely tell you, it's nice and cooling. Very cooling. This is nice. Okay, so let me get my mirror, because I don't have a mirror. We're just doing this off the cuff. And the glow is good, okay? I'm loving the glow right now. So let me get my mirror and let's just start up. I'm just patting the face, patting the face. So how are you guys doing today? Today is a nice chill day for me. I want to put some makeup on because one, I'm working from home and I feel like sometimes I wanted to spruce up a little bit, and I was like, Kelly, you gotta get out this run of just putting on your clothes in the morning and not, you know, getting yourself put together. That's gonna make you get into a run. So let's just play in some makeup. So before we get back into the actual foundation and everything and applying it, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna have a cute little conversation. You know, you guys know how I like to do. I like to, you know, talk a little. So how's it going? What's been going on? Ain't much going on over here, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like the glow. So what has been going on with you? What's up? What's the tea? Talk to your girl, leave it in the comments. And also let me know if you've heard of this beauty brand, Merit Beauty. I know I have. I know I've seen it in Sephora. You know, Sephora is our happy place. I need to clean my brows up. It's no way we're moving forward with this without tightening up these brows. Okay, so I did my brows. I went to my brows off camera because I want to make sure we just pretty much focus pretty much on the products at hand. So, just to give you a little bit of specs on Merit Beauty, this is a vegan, cruelty-free, and skin-centric brand. So we love a good clean beauty, okay? So this here, like I said, Tiger Eyes is what I have. So the only thing I put on besides my skincare is this. I did not use any primer. I want to see how the product actually works with just itself. I don't want to put anything else on. So talk about perfect match. Can y'all even see this? Okay, I do see it. This is like, okay. You can't even see this. Okay, this is a good thing. This is a good thing. This is those quick, no makeup looks when you're just trying to be on the go, cover up those imperfections, and in and out. In and out. That's exactly what this is. Now, I'm not trying to put too much on, but you probably can't even see it, which is a good thing. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brush and blend everything out. Can you guys see like little streaks in my face? You see them? That is crazy. Okay. So let's just buff it out. This is that on-the-go makeup look right here. You get your shade. You blend it out. And that is it. Look at this. Now, this is like a nice clean airbrush. You could probably tell the difference from my forehead to the bottom of my face. Can you tell? I like this. Okay. And this is that look where you don't even have to put on like that eyeshadow. You know, you could just go ahead and maybe put a little mascara on, pull everything together, maybe put a little blush on to give you a flush of color. You don't really need much. Now, do this beauty brand has more products? Yes, they have blush, they have contour, they have lipsticks, they have lip gloss, lip oils, they have everything. Absolutely. But what I'm here to show you is just how you can just get you a nice, clean, on-the-go look. You know, sometimes we don't want to put on a full face of makeup. You know, eyebrows is good and just want to have a nice, clean face. And sometimes you don't have to put no eyebrows on. I just put eyebrows on. I like putting on eyebrows. But you can just put this on just to have a nice, just clean face. Just going out like, you know, as if, you know, say if you are someone who has like hyperpigmentation, you may have had some, you know, some redness maybe, and you just want to cover it up. That's what this is. That you just want to have that nice, clean face. That I'm just coming outside with a clean face. That's it. And you can still work on your imperfections, you know, with your skincare routine and whatnot. It's nice and light. And look, and you know what my complexion is. And you see is nice and brown, but it's not extremely, you know, heavy. You guys know how a brush can look after using foundations, okay? But this is definitely nice. I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up this look a little bit, just to my like, you know, like a little bit more. So let me go do that, and then we're gonna come right back. Here's the final look. This is all you need if you're looking for that quick on-the-go makeup look. Very minimal, no foundation look. You know, even though you have your foundation stick, but this is just to like blur out things. You know, if you have, like I said before, redness, hyperpigmentation, maybe some scarring, just anything like that, just to kind of keep things at bay. I do not have on a full face. Let me get my mirror. I don't have a full face on. This is just the foundation stick. That is it. It's giving me a nice subtle glow, like a nice healthy look. Like my skincare is doing its thing and it's pulling through. And this was a perfect match for me. Only thing I did do, I did put on mascara. I did put on liner, as you can tell. In addition to, I did do a nice lip at the look in the mirror to make sure I got everything that I put on. Mascara, liner. I did put on a nice lip. I used a lip liner with a nice lip gloss. Something very simple, nothing crazy. And I did put a little setting powder on my face to kind of keep things at bay. And that was it. That was it. But everything, I don't even have anything on my lids. And you guys know, I'm not a big eyeshadow wearer at all. But the fact that I don't even have anything on my lids, it's like I just have a little bit of that foundation stick that's kind of smeared in there. It's giving me very simple, very, very fresh face, you know. You know, this is something you take on vacation with you. And, you know, I'm going away soon. So this is something that you take on vacation. You know, you still in the sun, but you want to, you know, put a little something on. That's exactly what this is. This is giving fresh face. Fresh face. Fresh, clean face. So, if you want to get your hands on this, I will have a link down below for you. In addition to, if you get anything $40 or more, you will get a free shipping. But every order comes with this bag right here. And I think that is too cute. This is definitely going with me on vacay. It's a nice little corduroy like style bag. You guys can see, you know, it's nothing, you know. But it's really cute. It's nice and light. And again, you can put all your products in the bag. I am going to put my little brush. I'm going to find something for this because this is too cute on the blend out. This is nice. This is real nice. So, like I mentioned before, check the link out down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and let me know if you've tried this brand before, and if you have, what is your shade in the foundation stick? Let me know. Let me know. And what are some of your favorite products from this brand?